I'm Jonny Bush. This is Rita, Rita the Synchro. She's been my home from 2015 to 2017 whilst I was doing my Masters in Architecture. So I spent 3 out of my 4 terms in her full time, so 1 full winter, and then once we finished, my partner and I, Rita, spent a couple of months touring around France and made it down to the Pyrenees, and you know, did like a lovely zigzag across the whole thing, covered about 4,000 miles. During that time she was running on waste vegetable oil that I'd collected from the university, from their kitchens, so all of their chip fryers. So she was doing 3 miles the whole way, CO2 neutral, and so inside it's all oak panelling, so solid oak. The soft furnishings are chalk wovens, which is my mum's business. The layout has kind of been dictated by a second fuel tank to make the vegetable oil system work as a dual tank system. Space inside for my bicycle in the rear, as well as you know, having your toilet and your shower accessible during the summers. The cork insulation is fire retardant, it's water impermeable, it's lightweight. It's also you know, a decreasing industry, so you know, it's a good insulator as well, and a great finish. So as your pinboard goes, you know, if ever you need to pin some drawings to the wall. She's equipped also with this nice little rocket stove, which kept me warm during the winters. And all the piping comes out on the outside, so it can be removed. Obviously when you're stationary you can put it on, but when you're on your road then that can just sit there. You've got your all-terrain tyres. She's 4-wheel drive, so you won't get stuck anywhere. Good fun off-road, so you know, she is an expedition vehicle. In the back we've got the setup of your water, obviously your loo, your shower hose, which would just clip on here, obviously opens the elements, so it's a summer activity. If you need your table, which will work on the inside, you've got gas. Fridge works 3 ways, through the solar panel or through gas. Yeah, so if we go back on the inside, I guess we could so obviously you've got rotating chair. Your dual tank system is controlled at the front. You've got a rear differential lock when you're off-road. Obviously your surround sound and everything is set up. As your bed goes, it just pulls out full width, which lines quite nicely with the counter here. And also when you're in the kitchen, so if you want to take the kitchen spot, you can see that we've got this little movable worktop, so that and when you're cooking you can just slide this around so that you've got a usable surface, and your bin storage is in the side there, and then of course all of your kitchen items are just based in the drawer here. So when it comes to all of your clothing and everything, that's just located behind here, so you've got access to everything you need clothes wise. And then of course your leisure battery is located there, so you've got 240 volts, and the solar panel will keep you going. You've got a split charge system, so if you're on the drive you can you know, you've got as much power as you could ever need, really. Your lighting obviously can be repositioned as and where you like, which is quite nice actually for ambient lighting as it goes. And then, yeah, it's got a nice little window there for your plants and stuff.